Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So this video I want show now how I take sew this mini purse. Na zip na zip na I take do this thing. So I want zip and zip everything, make you see as it be. So na zip now make me hold the other one when I never sew, make you for know say na zip na I take sew this small bag, this mini bag. So I will show now how I take sew am. It's very easy. Trust me, it is very easy. It no hard at all. So as I talk and just now, it's very easy. So I dey zip am back now. I dey zip am back. I'll show you in a moment how I take come about this mini purse. It dey easy well. So the measurement when I use for this purse now 150 centimeter. That is, it will be 60 inches. 150 centimeter. It will be 60 inches when I use. So this zip, now the one when I buy, you will cut them by the size where you want. So now make me get the length. So I will show you in a moment. As I take fix the handle where you take zip them up and zip them down, I will show you in a moment. So I want just show you from here, make for easy for you to sew or to measure. So I measure, you feel measure any inches, like this one and 3 inches. But the one when I take sew that bag, that mini purse na 3.5 inches. Now I use, you feel measure 5 inches, you feel measure even 10 inches, depend on how your zip take long, how you want your bag or your mini purse take big reach. So you will measure anyone. Like this one and 3 inches, but the one when I take sew, the one when I show you when I open a lock back, na 3.5 inches now I use. So depend on how you want am. I just dey use this one to show you how I take sew am, because it be like say e not too show for my when I dey sew am for machine, but you will see in a moment. So just concentrate on this particular part. How I take sew here. This place dey little bit tricky, but it not hard if you pull eye down. So now just straight sewing. Now the end here, now you will concentrate well. So this one, like I talked just now 150 centimeter now I cut for this one. So the blue one when I hold, so take the zip and back, I will show now how I take fix am in a moment. So it's very easy. You fit cut any length of your choice. If you get the zip where you feel cut to the sizes where you want. So now I take this mini bag, mini purse. Now the tape when I get zip where it reach, I feel cut like 2 years or 3 years. I just buy them like that. Then I cut them inside, because I don't get the zip where it reach 150 centimeter. That is 60 inches. I don't get the zip. This one at 26 inches. The one when I just measure. So the one when I want to use for that, when I use for this bag, this mini purse, now the one where they cut. So I don't cut 150 centimeter for my zip. So now the blue one when I did touch just now, be say I will show now in a moment how I take fix am. So may you take no say now the zip where they cut now I use. So if you get the one where they cut, you feel cut any size of your choice. So now make me get bigger size. If not the smaller one, if not small zip, if I not reach that big one when I show now before this. So I want to use like to secure the edge. So I debond the edge now. So if you don't understand, you feel rewind back, make you for understand that it is very easy. I don't lie, it is very easy. So I just open am small, leave like 1 inch for the back. So I want measure am now. I will measure 3.5 inches. Like I said, you fit measure any size of your choice depending on how your zip long reach. So see as I take fold am, you fold am swan like that. Then after folding, you swan like that, then you come turn the zip just like this. You turn am, sew am for the down part where I use fire burn. So you come turn am this way and sew straight down. You just sew am straight down. E easy well well. You fit use short zip take try am. Then if you don sabi am, then you come use longer one. Depend on how you want make your own big. So you fit use small one if you no fit fix the blue one wey you take open and close am, that is zip am up and zip am down. You fit try shorter zip just to practice. So you see as I take fold the edge just now. So now the long one, the remaining one be this. I'll fold am, sew am near the shorter one when I just sew finish now. So I'll sew the remaining one just like that. So I don't sew finish. That's it. Very simple, very easy, fast. So I don't sew finish be that. Now just to zip am, show you how I take zip am up and zip am if I want zip am out again. So now just be this. It's very simple. So now the down part be that when I take start. So I want zip am now. So I show you guys again. So now the length be this. So I want zip am out. So now so it just be. So I'll zip am back again, just like this. So guys, thank you for watching. If you get any question, let me know for comment section.